From Divine, Star of the Light Erini, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athena, August 1st, 2025. A good time to lose your mind. Happy new month. The sphere of the mental body has been moved closer to its healthy place within the human. Earthly, galactic, and cosmic Kundalini and its veils are being removed. Now is a good time to lose your mind. This is the greatest correction that we had so far on the masculine within all. This was the most auspicious development in a long time. There will be more to come, but this one was really important, as it was the first major one exactly on the north part of the axis and in alignment to the latest changes that have taken place in the inner worlds via the completion of our quantum jump last May. Now we will witness the collapsing of so many bubbles and veils of mind programming that have been distorting, misleading, and misguiding the perception of the self and humanity. The twin flames are fastly restoring their unions, and all weddings will take place. We just experienced the goddess Tethys, great mother of the cosmic ocean and God Ocean, the father of the cosmic ocean, restoring their union. This is corresponding to the Torus field and all of its rivers. A major node has been freed as we are inside the 6-month period of the greatest exorcisms ever. As the nodes are being freed from the hooks, the inner flows will be restoring back to their true directions and thus allowing a healthier mental body. One of the holy mountains has been witnessed opening up during this 8/8 earthquake, which to me was the greatest and happiest news. All the nodes will be eventually freed, and the ship will sail. The sailors are moving the ropes as we speak. Expect changes in minds and personalities, as things are returning back to the basics and the simplicity of natural law. In this process, you might witness the mind releasing all subconscious fears, ill projections, and inner resistances, which were functioning as safeties if one ever decided to escape the fallen world. Please do not believe them nor give them power. They are just mind programs being released, nothing more, leading the Ascension process. This is the result of us consciously taking the wheel of life in our hands. We are leading the Ascension process with our own decisions, and we are the ones who are having a saying on every next big step. 144 flowing in. Taking the position of the adult self within the center of existence is the alignment to the seat of the driver. We are all equal but not the same. Only those with true self-responsibility, honesty, self-love, and respect will be able to hold the wheel and have a saying on the decisions that will be made next, for a very simple reason. Because those are the souls who can be trusted and can honor the responsibility of the decisions for a safe transition. They are the ones who can make loving and honoring choices for themselves and others. This development is part of the return of the divine powers, rights, jurisdictions via the godly genealogies which began back in May. When you are aligned to the will of the driver, you are totally safe and sound, and all you have to do is trust your guidance, relax, and enjoy the ride via the wisdom and knowing of your own true self. Those who allow and embrace the correction of the inner trinity and the spheres, and develop inner growth, gratitude, respect, trust, and cultivation of the soul and the character, have all the keys to all the changes that are following, and will experience a smooth and happy transition and inner process of becoming greater than they have ever imagined, because now the new Kundalini will begin being built. Since our quantum jump began last March upon another big earthquake, there came one essential message that I've been repeating. This is not like before. This time, it is different. And this 8/8 Lionsgate is also going to be different. The times of the Luciferian immature and distorted demands and ill criticisms, conclusions and projections, and attacks onto others has long ended, and those who are still behaving like this will be left behind unless they snap out of their childish attitudes and ungrateful behaviors and begin joining their own growth and sanity via their true position in the greatest collective love and unity ever. A child cannot drive no matter how strongly it might believe that it can, and no one in sanity would ever pass the wheel to a child on a highway, in this case the greatest highway there exists. The collective return to sanity is here. Self-reflection, care, focus, and connection are needed now more than ever, so that one can feel, sense, understand, and connect to the self better. Please do not spend your time, energy, and focus on what others do or choose. It is really a waste of time. They are not the ones stopping you or blocking you. Your life doesn't depend on them. Everything you are looking for, you already have within you. So just follow the guidance that maybe you had previously rejected. You have the final saying in your own healing, fulfillment, happiness, and ascension process. It is only your decision and choice via free will, and it is only up to you when you feel ready to take it. Love and blessings from the purity of the Kumara light. Eri ni, Amalthea Thor, Har Zoronia, Alicia, Hunama Anata Kumara, Yellow Galactic Warrior.